Welcome to contemporary farmhouse living in a quiet setting on 6.75 peaceful acres. This beautiful property is situated near the Willamette River in the charming town of Independence, located in the heart of the Willamette Valley. In addition to the updated home, you'll find a barn with newer siding and extra-large covered parking for your RV. The covered wraparound porch invites you inside, where you'll discover a huge open layout, a cozy wood stove, and abundant lighting. It's thoughtfully updated, blending contemporary updates with its classic farmhouse style. Enjoy the large island, stainless appliances, a dining nook, and abundant storage. This home of nearly 2,200 square feet has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The staircase with newer luxury carpet takes you to the spacious master bedroom suite with a walk-in closet. French doors lead to the private deck, where you can watch the beautiful sunrise and take in the tranquil setting. You'll also find a well-appointed master bath. From the wraparound deck, head to the outdoor sitting areas. Or unwind in the hot tub. You'll even find a convenient outdoor shower. Gather by the fire pit, explore the fruit trees, and enjoy the energy efficiency of 38 recently installed solar panels. Living here, you'll enjoy its close proximity to Willamette Valley wine country, outdoor adventures, an historic downtown, and it's an easy commute to Salem or Albany. A perfect blend of contemporary style and original character. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Safford Carpenter with Premier Property Group.